Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Previous lesson we finished creating our context class. Now we're going to carry on with the configurations. I am going to add a new class. No, yeah, class is okay. So start with the about, keep the same line, about config. Yes, config is good, yeah. Well, we can use that name. Public. So to add our configuration, we're going to use an inheritance from IEntityTypeConfiguration, guys. IEntityType configurations for about. What happened? There is a no. It's all good. Implement interface, yeah. Or we're going to we're going to implement our mm, configurations just right here. So builder dot property, yeah. All right, now I'm going to use some kind of a different template. I'm going to use the about. Let's make it 2 pages. See how many property we have. All right, header. Let's start with the header. So we it has to be, so it's required. All right, dot has max length, and 200 is going to be enough, I guess. If we need more, we can change later. Description. Oh, we close that one. We still continue. No, we still go on the header. Do we need anything else? Precision? No. Value generator conversation. There is a lot of configuration here, guys. So this is max length. This is precision for the how can I say, we can do the settings for the decimal or double type numbers. These are auto-generated values from the database. The raw version required, Unicode. Yeah, there is a lot of information here. Okay, we're not gonna use any of them. It has max length is going to be enough. We can close that section, and I'm going to take it here. All right, okay. Let's see like that. Perfect, lovely. Control D. Now description is required, and max length is 5,000. So it might be a lot. Clients. Why I did string? By the way, we're going to keep them as a number, right? So they should be an integer. Actually, short is going to be enough. Yeah, we don't need null section. Yeah, I'm going to keep them as an integer. Client projects house of, where's the hot workers? About must be hard workers here. Hard workers. Yeah, now it's all right. Okay. Clients is required. Has max. This is a number, guys. Number based. You know what the integer is, so it must be again has must. Mm, yeah, we can use has max length as well. Let's keep it 200 then. No, not 200. The length. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. something 10,000. 5 is going to be enough. Keep them all 5. Projects, hours of support, and hot workers. File name, I'm gonna keep them maximum length because I don't know how to create a file name now. Once we finish our image helper file, helper class, then we can come back here and we can amend our configuration. Okay, alright. Let's see the base entity now. It's becoming automatically configured by the EF core. Created date, we have created it, right? Is there any specific thing for the created date? Yeah. Why I'm doing this specification, by the way, let me talk about a little bit. If I didn't any configuration, for example, this create date, so it is set maximum character. So this property will allocate the maximum capacity character in our memory. So it is not a good thing. So I am just allocating our memory how many or how much I need. That's why I'm doing this configuration, guys. So created date. So let's think about it. 10 12 2023. So there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 is going to be enough. Right. Created date is required and has max length is going to be 10. Why is not working? Yeah, forget. Yeah, forget that one. Update date is same, but it is not required, so it can be null. There is question mark here. We already added, and we have a row version, guys. Row version, I told you before, it is about um, um, concurrency. What's concurrency? The concurrency is protect our database. Just imagine two-person is trying to change same data and they pull the information first, two of them. For example, they take a product information and they can see there is 5 quantity in their stock, and the one of guy, he is going to change 5 to 7, the other one is going to change 5 to 3. First of all, the first guy is change 5 to 7. Now database update the data from 5 to 7, but the second guy didn't refresh the page, we still see as a 5. So when he tried to change the data 5 to 3, there is an error message. There is a conflict, kind of conflict error message. The data has already changed. Please refresh your data. We're going to give that error message. So to do that, we have to add this row version column. Alright, so we're going to add this row version as a row version. Is row version. Now we add it. When we add this property, it's all protected, guys. If something happen, like I told you a couple of minutes ago, there is an exception. We're going to catch that exception and we're going to give our specified error message to user. Alright, perfect. Row version is done. Update create ID. Alright, perfect. Yes. We're going to use this section first, and we're going to use this one for all of our, oops, sorry, for all of our entities. So I'm going to copy that one. All right. Let's see how many minutes done. It's 10 minutes. All right, let's continue. I'm going to add all classes now. About category map. No, it's config, sorry. Config. Let's copy the config. Add class contact config. Add class home page config. Add class portfolio config. Add class service config. Add class social media config. Add class team config. And the last one is testimonial as all right, guys. Now I'm going to copy those sections for all of them. IEntityType configuration for category and implement interface. Let's add the base entity site public contact config IEntityType configuration on within contact. Why? Yeah, within contact. Alright, implement interface. Perfect. Let's go to home page. Make it public. Add our inheritance. IEntityType configuration for home page. Perfect. Implement interface. What's that? What happened? Why we have this error? Did we do something wrong? Home page, identical configuration, home page. Yes, home page. We didn't inherit. We didn't use inheritance here. That's the problem. Base entity. Yes, all good. Home page, portfolio. For portfolio. Implement interface. Public IEntityType configuration for service. Implement interface. Social media. IEntityType configuration. Social media. That one. Perfect. Implement interface. While I was watching many YouTube videos, while I was still learning, uh, all video, all of them, people doing just creating a couple of entities and trying to show base things. In this project, I'm going to show every detail what I've learned on my own from the videos and the courses and everything. We're going to we're going to do filters, middlewares, um, exception handling, everything from zero to end, guys. Just be patient and watch the videos. If you get bored, just make it faster. I mean, change the video speed. Sometimes I do it as well. I'm change if I get bored a little bit, I change the video speed and I get the information I need as soon as possible and quickly. It's testimonial. Oh, we write it wrong. Tasty. Up. Insert. John config. Alright, all good. Okay. All good now, yeah. Oops. Implement interface. Alright. We created all configuration and we added all base entity specifications. Now continue with the not that one, sorry. Category, I'm gonna pass the category to here. Yeah, we just have a name here. Copy that one. Name and is a must. It's required. So 50 is going to be enough for a name. Let's go to contact. Oops. Yeah, it's correct. I'm gonna put the contact here. Perfect. Yep. Location, email, call, map. Alright, location, I mean address. 200 is going to be enough. And it's a must. So I'm going to use a location here. And this is email. So I'm going to use 100 is more than enough for an email. Call is a number, guys. I'm going to keep a string. It's required. It's a must as well. So let's try to find 1, 2, 3. For example, they have 0, 5, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 1. So maximum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's make it 17. It's going to be more than enough for a phone number. And I'm not going to any maximum length. This one I'm going to keep as it is because this is going to be a link for the map. So I'm going to use the maximum one as a default, guys. Okay, alright, hold on. Let's go to the home page. Header, description, video link. Let's go with that one. Header. Enough. Description. For what? This one is a, yeah, all good. Let's make it 2000. It's a video link. I'm not gonna use any restriction. All good. Portfolio. Yeah, we didn't add entity base again. Let's see. Do you see that error? It means it's telling us it couldn't find any that kind of properties in this entity. Let's get in the portfolio. I see that. Base entity. Perfect. Our portfolio. Yes. What we have in portfolio. Title, file name, type. I'm just thinking. This is portfolio and picture. We have to add picture, right? Yeah, we have to. We cannot imagine a portfolio without a picture. Yeah. Let's keep as it is. Control C, Control V. Title is required and maximum length is 200. File name and file type, they all require, but I'm going to use maximum relevance as a default. File name, file type. All good. Just gonna make a quick check. Yeah, there's a mistake. Name type title. No. Required portfolio. Home page, video link. Yeah, no problem at all. Portfolio service. Yep, let's see the service. Name, description, and icon. Name. Oh, yeah. Name required. Yep. 200. Okay. Description. Need to add restriction 2000. We use 2000 for any kind of description, so it will be okay. File type. We don't have any file type here. Icon. Icon required and has max time. $100 is more than enough for an icon specification. Alright. Service, all good. Social media. Yep. Let's add base entity. Alright. Yes. Compiler fix the errors. Okay. Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. Let's copy that one. So it's nullable, so I'm not gonna use the is required and has max length. I'm not going to use this one because these are going to be linked. I don't know how much is going to be, how much, I don't know actually how many character we need. So I'm not gonna add anything. So I'm gonna use as a default. It's nullable and maximum. Let's continue. Team. Yes, these are same. Name, title, file name type. Name, title, file name type. Let's take from here. 7 is same. Let's copy this one. Name, oh sorry, full name, title. Full name, 100 is enough. Title 100 is enough. Yep. Full name, title, file name type. Is required. And file type. Alright. They are going to be nullable and maximum, so I'm gonna keep as it is. Testimonials. Let's copy from here. Command full name title. Command full name title, file name, file type. Okay. Command is going to be a long one. So 2000 is going to be enough for this. Title, name. Yeah, they are good like that. Perfect. Okay guys, we finished our configurations. If we did some mistake, obviously you will able to see better than me. I am tired and I have really sleep right now. Yes, we finished the configurations. Next lesson we're going to start data seeding. We're going to add some data to work on it while we writing our codes. We need some data, so we're going to add ours on the next lesson. Okay guys, take care of yourselves. See you next lesson then.